Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 28th, 2020, and we're out picking tomatoes here. We have some that are ripe, so we're harvesting some of these off here. You can see what we got so far. Now, we harvested a lot more tomatoes off yesterday. You can see there's a really big Park Whopper in there. That's the real big tomato there. And there's still more hanging on the vines here. You can see there. And a Park Whopper is one of our favorite tomatoes to grow. It gives really nice big fruits on it.
As you can see.
Here you can see down here. Some down here, and then there's more going down through. And you can see there's more tomatoes on down through. And we have been watering the stuff because it's been so dry here in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B where we're gardening at. So the only thing you gotta watch is that if you have well water, you don't run your well dry. So we ran water out to the garden so that we could have water out here. So one of the things that we found when growing your tomatoes is you don't want to use overhead sprinklers because you can get the blight real easy on your tomatoes. You can get early blight, late blight. So what we do is we just water the soil itself like this.
Don't let it splash up.
We were using the soaker hoses, but we were having an issue with it splashing up, and when it splashes up, that's what can help start the blight off. So we stopped using the soaker hoses and we went back to using the regular sprayer and just spraying the straw bales themselves, because we did start having the issue with the blight. And we've been spraying these with neem oil to try and keep it under control, because we got to get our tomato harvest this year so we can get them put up. We had a nice tomato harvest last year, but down in the hollow garden, the blight wiped the entire tomato patch out down there when it got later in the season, and it was a shame because there were so many beautiful tomatoes down there. Now, we weren't watering that with soaker hoses or anything. It's down in a hollow, so it gets like damper and cooler down there. But the Mr. Stripey tomato actually stayed in the longest last year, even with that blight going. And the only thing that I can think of is the Mr. Stripey tomato was done over in England. And it was grown like as a hothouse variety, so it's more used to the humidity, it's more used to the cooler changes, and it held in the longest for us during the blight last year. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.